When fall arrives, it means that cold weather isn't far behind. Well, this means that you may need to get started on the list of maintenance tasks that you've been putting off all season long. In this video, we will be discussing the important aspects to consider when getting your rental property ready for the fall. To start, take a walk around the perimeter of your property. Keep an eye out for any problems or potential problems that may arise during the winter, and perform preventative maintenance so those problems never occur. During this time, it is also a very good idea to remind your tenants of their responsibilities in helping to maintain the property, like shoveling snow to protect the concrete and cleaning up any issues that may arise. After you've completed your exterior property check, the hardest tasks have already been completed. So while you're investigating the interior of your rental property, be sure to check the furnace first. You may want to ask the tenants to replace the filter themselves, but it is up to you what task that you choose to assign to them. So think about that. It may also be a good idea to hire an HVAC professional to inspect your HVAC unit so that you can repair any issues that are in need. If you are enlisting the help of your tenants, be sure to be reasonable about the task that you assign to them as well as to yourself. However, every landlord should make it a priority to check in with their tenant every now and again to make sure things are being done appropriately. You want to make sure that they are maintaining the property up to those leasing standards, and if not, communication is the key. If you do not have experience purchasing real estate with your non-recourse loan and would like to get started, contact our lenders over at First Western Federal Savings Bank. Bolster your retirement fund and learn how to take advantage of your self-directed IRA. Give us a call today. We'd love to hear from you, and we're excited to dive in with you.